So here's another weird sound one for you. We've got ice on top of snow and then rain and everything's melting and it's suddenly 37 degrees. So listen to what the ground sounds like now. It's so weird. You can feel the breaking through the ice as you walk. And then look, it's all just like melty underneath. It was more effective down by the street. I think I'm getting my pajama pants wet. Here, let me show you the street, because I walked all the way over to get my mail only to find out my mailbox is empty. I was like, okay, that was worth the trip. But it's even better on this ground. Here, listen here. And then look at the perfect little feet it leaves. Okay, I better get in. It's getting wet. But at least everything is finally starting to melt away. It's going to be very, very soggy out here tomorrow. Oh, look, my car is actually visible now. I should go see if it starts. I do need to wipe off these stairs because they're a little too slippery for me in the... Oh, actually, I just push it off with my boot. I guess I should go get my shovel.